Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is exercise 4.1, question number 1 and part 2, Punjab Board. The question is 15y square plus 20y. In this question, you see that 15 and 20, these are the multiples of 5. So we can write 5 3 the 15 and y square. You can y square split into y and plus 5 4 the 20 and y. Now we have this is 5 is common from the first one, and this 5 is common. Also this y is common. I'm highlighting that is common. So and this y is common. So these two terms are common from these two terms. So this is 5y is common, and we are left with, which is I'm not highlighting 3y, so that is we'll write this is left with 3y plus, and this is 4. 5 and y is highlighted, and we are left with 4. So this is the factorization of this question. This is the answer. So thank you very much, and we will meet in the next question. Allah Hafiz.